Hello everyone, I am Prudence and welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I am going to give you 8 tips to help you improve your English. If you are looking to take your English to the next level, then you need to hear this. When my students ask me for suggestions on how to improve their listening and speaking skills, these tips have helped them with their English learning goals, and I know they will help you too. It's time to stop making excuses about not having enough time. With just a few small changes to your daily routine, learning English can become a habit rather than a chore. You don't need to spend hours every day. Even 5, 15, or 30 minutes can make a big difference. If you commit to practicing English every day, I promise you will get better. Let's dive into 8 practical tips to help you start improving your English right now. First up, change the operating language on your phone and computer to English. Most devices allow you to do this easily under settings. While it might feel a little tricky at first, you'll quickly start learning new vocabulary just by navigating your device. Pro tip: don't stop with your phone. Change the language on your tablet, smart TV, or even social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This simple switch will immerse you in English without requiring extra time or effort. Soon, you'll find yourself recognizing new words and phrases without even realizing it. The second tip I want to share with you today is to read or watch the news daily. But take it a step further by watching, reading, or listening to it in English. Platforms like BBC, CNN, or Google News offer excellent resources and are great places to start. You'll stay updated on global events while improving your English reading and listening skills. The language used in news articles and broadcasts is often formal and clear, making it a fantastic way to expand your vocabulary and understand sentence structure. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Focus on key ideas and keep practicing. If you are getting any value from this lesson, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate your support. Now let's look at the third tip to use to improve your speaking and listening skills. Music is a powerful tool for learning English. Not only is it fun, but it also exposes you to natural pronunciation, idioms, and cultural references. Do you struggle to understand the lyrics? No problem. Use websites like A's Lyrics or lyrics.com to find the words, or simply search for them on Google. Start by listening to the song while following along with the lyrics. Sing along to practice your pronunciation and intonation. You'll be amazed at how much vocabulary and confidence you'll pick up while enjoying your favorite tunes. Let's look at the fourth tip to improve your English. Writing in English is one of the best ways to improve your grammar and vocabulary. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes each day to writing in a journal. It doesn't have to be anything complicated, just write about your day, your thoughts, or even a short story. If you're not sure what to write about, look up English writing prompts online. They can give you fun and creative ideas to get started. Over time, you'll notice your writing will become more fluent and natural. The fifth tip is speaking. It's one of the most important skills in language learning, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. Try to find someone to speak English with, either a friend, family member, colleague, or even a language exchange partner online. Regular practice will make speaking in English feel more natural. It also helps reduce nervousness and build confidence. If you don't have anyone to practice with, try talking to yourself in the mirror or using language exchange apps to connect with other learners or native speakers. The next tip is to watch children's cartoons. It might seem simple, but they're fantastic for learning English. Cartoons often use basic vocabulary and clear pronunciation, and the visual context makes it easier to understand what's happening. You can start with popular cartoons like Peppa Pig, Sesame Street, or Dora the Explorer. Their repetitive language and engaging visuals will help improve your listening comprehension and vocabulary. Using English learning apps is the 7th tip on how to improve your English. We live in the age of technology, so why not take advantage of it? English learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise are fantastic tools to practice vocabulary, grammar, and even speaking. These apps work because they are interactive, make learning fun and engaging. You can set daily goals and track your progress. Plus, they're perfect for squeezing in practice during your lunch break or while you're commuting during the day. The last tip I have for you in this lesson today is connecting with other English learners or native speakers online. This is a great way to practice. Join forums, social media groups, or platforms like Reddit or Discord where people share tips and engage in conversations. Here's a pro tip. Look for communities that focus on the things you are interested in, whether it's books, movies, travel, or hobbies. Engaging in discussions about topics you love will make learning English more enjoyable and natural. Here's a bonus tip for you that I know will help you improve your English. Try using podcasts to learn English. Listening to podcasts is a fantastic way to boost your listening skill and learn natural expressions. Podcasts let you hear real conversations, help you understand tones, pronunciation, and cultural context. Plus, you can listen while commuting, cooking, or exercising. It's a great way to fit English practice in your busy day. Choose topics you enjoy, like business, travel, or storytelling. Some popular podcasts for English learners are The English We Speak by BBC, as well as the ESL Pod. Celebrate small wins, like understanding a new word or finishing an article in English. You're improving every day, and that's what counts. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. So don't worry about being perfect. Focus on progress instead. So this brings me to the end of another lesson. Are you ready to stop making excuses and start taking action? Remember, even small daily efforts can lead to big improvements over time. Which of these tips will you try today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning lessons and tips. Together, we can make learning English fun and easy. See you in the next video.